Many people are trying to prevent heart disease from pain or inflammation. Despite numerous side effects, anti-inflammatory drugs are prescribed and used. But there is a very ideal supplement for them. It's a substance called Serrapptase. But in Europe, doctors have already learned from pain. It has been prescribed for a long time to address arteriosclerosis. Serrapptase is a protease that breaks down and digests proteins. It is made by bacteria that live in the intestines of silkworms and is used to break through cocoons. It's called serraptase, which is made by extracting these powerful proteases. Anti-inflammatory, like nonsteroidal medications like aspirin. Not only does it work painfully, it has been confirmed that it has a significant effect on preventing and healing heart diseases by preventing arteriosclerosis. However, serraptase, unlike traditional anti-inflammatory and analgesic drugs, is at risk of stomach ulcers and gastric bleeding. Be characterized by the absence of. Serraptase can be considered to have a healing effect with the following three mechanisms. First, by diluting the mucus that causes inflammation formed during tissue damage, it not only lowers inflammation. As a result, the healing of damaged tissue is accelerated. Second, it can help relieve pain by inhibiting the production of an amine called bradykinin, which causes pain. Third, by breaking down a protein called fibrin, which is a byproduct of blood clotting, the health of the cardiovascular system. I can help you with serraptase, which is to leave living tissue intact and to replace fibrin and damaged tissue. Decomposition can significantly alleviate the arteriosclerosis problem without causing any problems in the blood vessels. So serraptase is a blood coagulant, cyst, dead tissue, like plaque in the arteries, a sprained spot with decomposition, a damaged ligament, a swollen spot after surgery, a blood clot on the leg, and it can be useful for treating inflammation of the nose and arteriosclerosis. The specific clinical trial is Pharmatherapeutica 1984 year, J. Asik Physicians India 1999 year, Singapore Med 1989 year. The double-blind law at the University of Naples is cited respectively. In a study of 174 patients, serraptase was used to treat empyema in patients who had surgery. It has been confirmed that it significantly relieves swelling without any side effects. In a similar study by German researchers, patients who took serraptase had about 50% swelling. It was confirmed that the swelling did not fall out in patients who were missing but not. More importantly, in patients with serraptase, all pain was relieved within 10 days of surgery. In a study of 20 patients with carpal tunnel syndrome, serraptase showed symptoms in 6 weeks without any side effects. It has been confirmed that it is significantly mitigating. 70 patients with fibrocystic breast disease were treated with serraptase, which resulted in a bloody swelling in the breast without any side effects. In addition, it was confirmed that pain was significantly relieved compared to patients without serraptase. In an 8-day study of 193 people, conducted by double-blind methods at the University of Naples, Italy. While serraptase has an excellent effect on eliminating inflammation in the ear, nose, and throat and relieving pain, it has been confirmed that there are no side effects at all. The Canadian Ministry of Health, which is now famous for its strictness, has published a number of similar research papers. It approved serraptase as a product that can be promoted as a product that can reduce inflammation and rhinitis. Therefore, although they have been treated with antibiotics for a long time for rhinitis, they often recur, or due to allergic rhinitis. If you're struggling, it's very likely that serraptase will have a significant effect. One thing to note when using is that you should use it on an empty stomach. Also, it's important to note that data on long-term use it's not a lot of them yet, so it would be wise to use them for a certain period of time. There are many serraptase enzyme products on the market, but they are not all of the same quality. So we're talking about reliable products, like plant-based, high-quality capsules that are more than 12.000 units, or in the market. It emphasizes the need to find and use special coatings to ensure absorption, etc. Anyway, it's a health supplement that can be used in a lot of cases without any side effects. There is no doubt that it is a must-know item.